Anyway, it's pigeon pie for lunch if I can catch it. Sodding great pigeons eat all the birdie food. Haven't seen a robin yet. Right, said Fred. This is the room with the reverb, my chapel. Big strong lungs. Lovely day. Dog walker's alley this. It's very good for singing this. Hallelujah. It just lends itself to being sung. So, what great wisdom can I impart to this wicked world? Quite frankly, they don't listen anyway. What's the point? Why bother? COVID's sorting the world out a bit, actually. Jolly dee! Good. Yes, the poor people will suffer, as ever. Yeah, but he'll get the rich bunnies. That's God, of course. He'll get them in his own way. There is no escape in this world, in this life. There's no escape. But 3 things are sure, we know this. You're born, you die, and taxes. They're lovely words. There we go. That'll do. Good morning, world. Hobble, hobble, creak, creak.